Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How To Do It. Today we're gonna let you know about this boAt Bluetooth earphones, that how you can easily pair this device with your mobile phone. It's very easy and very great way to use your earphones. But first time if you are using these devices, you're not able to find those options that how we can connect and what the process to pair these devices with our mobile phones. First of all, I'm requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. And now what we have to do, first of all, we will find a on and off button over here. We have to press that button and press and hold for a few seconds, and it will start blinking like this. As you can check out, it's blinking red, green, blue like this. And now what we have to do, we have to go to our mobile phones. As you can check out, I'm going to sharing with you in front of you. Now what we have to do, we have to go to this Bluetooth option. As you can check out over here, and below over there you will find your device that is over here, and you have to click on that, and it will start pairing, and it will ask you that you really want to pair this with your mobile phone. Click on pair, and your device will be connected and paired with this earphones. Now you can easily use it as a Bluetooth earphone. You can enjoy the music, and battery percentage will be found over here, and it's showing you connected. That means your device is connected. Now you can enjoy audio call, video call, music, and everything about this using this boAt Bluetooth earphones. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.